As the sun begins to set on the year that has been 2023, we can look back on what's gone. And one of these standout trends has been the proliferation of artificial intelligence across the workplace, across all sectors. Naturally, a question that comes from that is, in this world of tools like ChatGPT, where do humans fit in? Only in the fullness of time will this question be fully answered, but I'm a strong believer that the change is going to be how our jobs are performed. Let's look back all the way back to 1967 when Caltech released the world's first digital calculator. Now, immediately this was met with praise to this technological marvel that was able to perform calculations so incredibly quickly and portably. However, it was met with equal and opposite criticism of people saying this is the end of mathematics as we know it, and my goodness, with one fell swoop, we've destroyed the field of accountancy. With the aid of hindsight, we know that wasn't the case. Although calculators took a small part of what was originally the remit of accountants, the actual calculation, instead what it was able to do was to allow them to do that bit far more quickly and efficiently, and instead allow them to focus on the parts of the job that require their expertise. I'm a big believer that tools like ChatGPT will continue to amaze and enhance the work life of everyone in 2024 and beyond.